Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all go ahead and put on your running shoes, grab your car keys and your phone, and head on out the door because we have an amazing run glitch deal right now at Walgreens. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. I do want to go ahead and give everybody a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of very important videos for Dollar General this week. We've got some really crazy news, clearance event, sales coming up, huge clearance markdowns, and an awesome penny list for this week. So if you missed either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and get into this run glitch deal. Now, I hope that most of you all participated in the My W Days event that we had a couple of weeks ago. If you do, you should be loaded up on Walgreens cash to spend. All right. Now, if you have a bunch of Walgreens cash, this is going to be a super low out-of-pocket deal for you. Plus, you're going to get back the majority of your rewards as register rewards. So we are now rolling our Walgreens cash and we are turning it into register rewards. Now, in this video, I have included a couple of written out breakdowns for you all just to show you the numbers and the final price of the deal. But I want you all to keep in mind that when you're doing Walgreens couponing, different people look at things differently, whether it's like an out-of-pocket, a low out-of-pocket deal, and you're getting the rewards back. Some people count their Walgreens cash as cash out-of-pocket. So there's a couple of different ways that y'all can view this deal, but either way, I think it's fantastic. It's definitely a run glitch deal that will be fixed soon. So let's go ahead and talk about the details. So for this deal, like I said, there's a couple of different ways that y'all can do this deal, and you can mix and match depending on what your store has in stock. Now, for sure, this glitch is working on the Dawn Ultra dishwashing liquid, the ones that are priced at $5.89, and they have to be the ones that say 50% less scrubbing. So you want to pick up 4 of those. We also have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, so you can clip that to your account. And here's the written out breakdown. Pick up 4. That's going to put you at $23.56. Use that 50-cent off one digital coupon. That is going to leave you paying at $23.06. You can pay that out of pocket, but if you have $20 in Walgreens cash on your account, go ahead and use that $20 in Walgreens cash. Then you are going to get back 3 $5 register rewards. So you're getting back a total of $15. That makes your final price, depending on how you want to look at it, $8.06 for all 4 items. But you're only paying $3 and some change plus tax out of pocket. So for all of my beginner Walgreens couponers out there, this is a really good way that you can take your Walgreens cash. You can get a bunch of products and you're still getting some Walgreens register rewards back in return. And then later on, we can use those register rewards on another deal and earn back some more Walgreens cash. So whenever you hear people talking about investing in Walgreens couponing, you kind of have to pay out of pocket at first, but then once you start getting your rewards rolling in, you can turn your Walgreens cash into register rewards into Walgreens cash, all while still getting a lot of product, and you're basically not paying anything out of pocket. Now, that is not the end of the information for this glitch because, like I said, this glitch is working on several different products. So we've got the Dawn dish soap, and then we also have the Cascade Platinum Plus. These are priced at $5.49, and then we also have the Cascade Complete Gel dishwasher detergent, also priced at $5.49. Pick up a total of 4 of these. We do have a 2 off 1 digital coupon that you can use. Now, here's the written out breakdown. I did not include that 2 off 1 digital coupon because I'm not sure if all accounts have that or not. But either way, if you have it or if you don't, you are still going to use $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're getting back 3 $5 register rewards, making your final price, depending on how you want to look at it, $6.96 for all 4 items. Now, here's a look at those register rewards. You're getting back 2 manufacturer register rewards. Those both expire on August the 27th. And then down there at the bottom, this one is the P&G register reward. It looks a little bit different, but it is still a manufacturer register reward. This one expires tomorrow, so you want to go ahead and make sure that you use those today while you're at Walgreens. That way you don't have to make a second trip. Now, another thing with this glitch is that these register rewards are rolling. So as long as your Walgreens has these items in stock, you can use these register rewards on another transaction and still get the register rewards back. So for example, I just left my Walgreens. I picked up 4 of the liquid Cascade. I got back 3 $5 register rewards. Okay. On my second transaction, I picked up some of the Dawn dish soap. So I used those 3 register rewards on the Dawn dish soap deal, and those 3 register rewards still printed off for me. So my suggestion is that for your first transaction, you go in, pick up 4 of those products. Remember, you can mix and match, just depending on what your store has available. Pick up 4 of those items, use $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back the 3 $5 register rewards. Then put your second transaction up there, have the cashier ring all of those items up, use all 3 of those $5 register rewards, plus you can use $5 in Walgreens cash, so that would equal $20. You're still paying a couple of dollars out of pocket depending on which items you pick up, and then you're still getting back 3 register rewards. So hopefully all that made sense. I am going to put some notes down in the pinned comment below with the specifics of each transaction that I did. And then one last thing that I want to note on this glitch deal is that it is not working on the Dawn Platinum that are priced at $5.89. It is not working on the Dawn Antibacterial Apple Blossom Scent. Those are also priced at $5.89. And it is also not working on the Febreze products that are also kind of included in some of these promotions. Now, I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to an amazing, crazy couponer. She knows who she is. She's been helping me out all month, especially with these Walgreens deals. So huge shout out and thank you to you. You know who you are. And then I also want to mention that Michelle, our buddy Michelle, she has been posting updates over on Instagram, and I'm sure she's probably posting the same information on YouTube as well. Just updates on her transactions and different things that she's trying out. So I will leave the links to all that information in the pinned comment down below. Like I always say, if you guys try out this deal, please come back and let us know the details. What items did you try out? Did you get back all 3 register rewards? What time did you try the deal? All those things are very, very helpful. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Good luck out there. I hope y'all get out there and score this amazing deal. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.